Miss Golden Girl here. It's still laundry day, and I'm doing up my kitchen towels. I learned something from my cousin while I was with her during the month of January, February, summer, March. She bought these packages of white cloths from Walmart, and she used them for a lot of different things. So I bought a package from Walmart when I was in Custer State Park, and I started using them for my kitchen towels. So to do laundry, it costs $3 to wash and $2.50 to dry. So weekly, I have 2 loads. I have coloreds and whites. But I don't want to mix my kitchen towels with my white clothes, which I wash my underclothes, white underclothes and other whites with towels, white towels. I just use white towels now for bathing. That is to cut down on the number of wash and dry loads. So managing my money. So I need to do these maybe every 2 weeks. I've got quite a few of them. As you can see, I've got, I just laundry my clothes in the wash and then I let them air dry. So I got my pants and shirts air drying. I got my underwear air drying. Other clothes colored clothes, they're air drying. I wash my uniform shirts by hand. That's not enough for a load, so I just wash them by hand. And then they still got a lot of water on them. I let them dry, the beginning drying stage in the shower. And then I'll move it out here. So as you can see, look, I got rid of those boxes. I broke them down and took them to the trash container. I haven't hemmed up the drapes, curtains yet. But managing my money, doing laundry, hand washing, air drying, only washing things in the wash machine and drying in the dryer that are absolutely necessary. Anything that can air dry or I can wash by hand, I wash by hand. Managing my money.